Guys, I've had my breakfast and now I'm all set to go. I'm so happy. So today I'm just rocking jeans, so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today. Starting with this, I'm gonna have a long top and my raggedy jeans because ain't nothing serious today, baby. Today is just me, my hairstylist. So let us go and lock this hair. After he washed my hair, he used Coca-Cola, the soda, on my head. At this point, he started styling the hair. He started making the dreadlocks. He was using a comb and it was very nice. He wasn't pulling my hair. I can't complain. So I told him to make sure that it is a straight in line so that it is easy to style later on. And he told me that is actually what is done. They cannot make it when it's zigzag because later on you will be unable to style your hair. So they make sure that it is straight lines. You get me? You feeling me? You feel me? Yeah? Then now comes the styling. We are now done. The dreadlocks are done. At the beginning, they will look funny, but with time, they're going to look amazing. So this is when he was styling my hair, and it's actually not painful. It was very swift. I loved it. And we're done. The hair is done. It's looking amazing. I love it. I'm so amazed. It's perfect, guys. I love it. I love it. Comment down below. Tell me if you like it too. Subscribe. I'm waiting. Thank you so much for subscribing. So I want to show you how I look, my final look. So first he told me not to wash my hair until the next time that I'm going to go back, which is after 2 weeks. I was told the salon is at Kasarani. Kasarani is in Nairobi County. Yes, it's in Nairobi County. I'm going to give you his phone number in the description box so you can call him, book an appointment. It's very affordable, and the services, guys, the services were amazing. I am a sucker for customer service, and when I go somewhere and I get good customer service, trust me, I'm always gonna give you a big up. So the customer service, Karis Dreadlocks, asante sana. Your customer service was amazing. I was made by someone called Hans. There are two guys, there is Karis and there is Hans. So Hans was the one who made my hair. So I am going to show you how I look now. Who is ready? Are you ready? Are you even ready? Are you ready? First of all, this hairstyle, it makes me look like a child. It makes me look like I am in class 2 or class 5, you know. But I like it because, you gotta start from somewhere, right? You gotta start from somewhere, my people. So this is a big reveal. Drum rolls, please. So this is the final look. This is how I look, guys. So I had an option of not to style them, but I decided to style because, first of all, when I leave them like hanging, they might come out. Okay, I don't know, but I just told him to style it. I didn't want to take any chances. I want them to be perfect. So I asked him to style them. So that's why he came up with this style. Yeah, and my hair is not that short, so it is stylable. It is stylable, my sister. Is your hair stylable like mine? I read it. So yeah, so that has been my day. What I want to do right now is eat and eat and eat again because I am so hungry. So I want to eat. So subscribe, guys. Join the coolest family on YouTube. Join the coolest gang. Subscribe, like, share, and I will be doing more videos, more vlogs. Hit me up on the comment section. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what else I should do. Tell me what else you want to see, baby, because I am here to listen to you. I will reply to your comments. Don't forget to follow me up on Instagram at NellJJMarie. In the description box still. Follow me and join the coolest family. So until next time, guys, peace up.